decided that the way that I would learn portals would be to build a staff portal.
Small little project.
Oh yeah. Just a small portal. That's all. And that that one portal that had a couple of tabs, that has since expanded to be 15 tabs, and each tab with, I don't know, 5 to 8 sub tabs. But the benefits of it are that we are consolidating processes between admission and financial aid into that one portal. Um, we are we are granting access to reports and queries, like to the class deans or to housing, without actually giving them access to the student record. So within portals, I can have people see exactly what I want them to see, and that's obviously very important from a security standpoint. So within this portal, um, I built a transfer dashboard, where all the transfer applicants come in. Um, it links right out to their reader. Um, it embeds all of their financial aid and financial need information, their financial aid checklist. There's also an embedded form where admission and financial aid counselors can basically share comments back and forth. And so this is an entity scope form, and the benefit of that is when I pull up the student's record, it basically looks like a text chat exchange, right? So note from admission, note from financial aid, note from admission, note from financial aid, and it's all tied directly to this student's record, instead of being buried in an email chain somewhere or a Google chat chain.